Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply as a driver for Skip the Dishes. First, make sure your laptop has a strong internet connection and open your preferred browser like Google Chrome. Search for Skip the Dishes delivery driver and click the first link to go to the application page. To be eligible, you'll need be of legal driving age in your province, a smartphone with a data plan, a valid driver's license, vehicle insurance and registration, a background check, and thermal bags for deliveries. If you meet all these requirements, scroll down and click Apply Now. Fill in all the necessary details, submit your application, and you're done. And that's it. That's how to apply as a driver for Skip the Dishes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.